This is the nut and bolt I created using my Creality Ender. The pieces do fit together, and I can screw one onto the other. They were a little tight at first, but it worked out. And I do have the chamfer on there, on both the nut and bolt, if you can see, and they're both threaded. I started out with a sketch of the hexagonal and put a circle inside and copied one over to the other. Then I extruded the inside and the outside of the bolt and the nut. As you can see, I have the chamfer on there. I used a triangle to revolve around the outside of the nut, and I put another triangle on the bottom to do the same thing. When I did the bolt, I used another triangle, but a little larger, and moved it up and away from the bolt a little bit because I was getting a line that was left in a circle around the bolt if I put it right on the corner. Instead of using two triangles on this one, I used a mid-plane, as you can see there, and I mirrored the revolve on the top around the mid-plane to get the revolve on the bottom. I also tried to retract the threads a little bit, as you did in the other video. To get this triangle concept, I did watch another video to see how that was done. I knew that it couldn't be done with a chamfer or a fillet. That wouldn't work. So that's how I created the nut and the bolt. You can see the threads on the inside of the nut. I'll turn off the sketches and turn off the mid-plane construction. And so that's what I had to work with to create them. When I did the hexagonal in the very beginning, I when I did the hexagonal in the beginning, in addition to dimensioning it, I also made the top of the hexagonal to be parallel or horizontal, so that locked everything in place.